Freelancing is growing at an incredible pace, and the best part is that many freelance jobs don't require any prior experience. Whether you're looking to supplement your income with a side hustle, or you want to build a full-time remote career, there are plenty of opportunities out there. You can start earning money online with little to no investment, just a laptop, an internet connection, and the willingness to learn. In this video, I'll walk you through the top 5 online freelance jobs that you can start with little to no experience. These jobs are beginner friendly, flexible, and can be done from anywhere in the world. Ready to dive in? Let's go ahead and get started. Number 1, transcriptionist. Starting with a job that's perfect for those who like working independently, transcription. Transcriptionists listen to audio or video recordings and convert them into written text. It's a straightforward job that requires good listening skills, attention to detail, and basic typing skills. What does a transcriptionist do? So transcriptionists are hired to type out the audio from meetings, interviews, podcasts, YouTube videos, and even legal or medical recordings. For example, let's say a company records an important business meeting and needs a written record for future reference. They can hire a transcriptionist to listen to the recording and type it out. It might sound simple, but it's essential to get the timing and the words exactly right, especially for videos where captions or subtitles are required. Why start with transcription? Transcription is beginner friendly, requires no formal education, and you can find jobs relatively quickly. Many platforms allow you to set your own hours, and you don't have to talk to customers, making it perfect for us introverts. Plus, if you're looking for something low stress that can be done on your own time, this is a fantastic choice. Where to find transcription jobs? Upwork and Fiverr are great places to find clients on these popular freelance marketplaces. Many transcriptionists set up profiles and start getting work right away. How to get started without experience. One of the best ways to start transcribing is to use YouTube's auto-generated captions. After uploading a video to YouTube, wait for the auto captions to be generated, then go through and edit them to correct any mistakes. This process will help you get familiar with the job without needing to start from scratch each time. And here's a tip. Practice makes perfect. At first, it might take a while to finish a transcription job, but as you get faster and more accurate, you'll be able to complete more work in less time, and that means more money. Earning potential. Transcriptionists typically earn between $15 to $30 per hour. As you gain more experience and improve your speed, you can take on more complex or specialized projects, like legal or medical transcription, that pay even higher rates. One tool that we love for transcribing is Rev. If you want to get started with Rev, we'll go ahead and leave a link down in the description below. Number 2, virtual assistant or VA. A VA's job is to provide administrative, creative, or technical support to businesses or individuals. It's a job that covers a wide range of tasks, which is why it's so in demand. So what does a virtual assistant do? Virtual assistants handle tasks like scheduling meetings and appointments, managing emails and customer inquiries, updating social media accounts, basic bookkeeping, travel booking, and event planning. Many small business owners and entrepreneurs are overwhelmed by the number of daily tasks that they have to manage. That's where VAs come in, helping with everything from organizing files to answering customer inquiries. Why is it a good starting point? The beauty of becoming a VA is the variety of tasks. You enjoy multitasking and being organized, you'll find virtual assistant work fulfilling. The flexibility to work remotely and the ability to scale your services as you gain experience are also huge perks. Plus, you can start without any specialized skills. Just a willingness to help and basic knowledge of common tools like Google Workspace or Microsoft Office. How to stand out as a VA. To succeed as a virtual assistant, it's helpful to specialize in certain areas like social media management, email marketing, customer service, project management. For example, many VAs have found success by focusing on managing YouTube channels, scheduling content, responding to comments, or even creating thumbnails for their clients. You can find VA jobs on Upwork, Fiverr, freelancer.com, and even on LinkedIn. Many businesses post listings specifically for virtual assistants, and some job boards are dedicated to VA roles. Earning potential. Virtual assistants typically make between $20 to $40 per hour, with more specialized VAs earning up to $70 per hour or more. It's not uncommon for experienced VAs to land long-term clients offering a steady stream of work each month. month. Number 3, content writer. If you enjoy writing, becoming a content writer is a great way to break into freelancing. There's always a demand for fresh, high-quality content across all industries, from blog posts to website copy and social media content. What does a content writer do? Content writers create written materials such as blog posts, product descriptions, articles for websites, social media posts, and many businesses and websites don't have the time or resources to write their own content. So they hire freelance writers to help fill the gap. And here's the best part. You don't need to be a published author or have a degree in journalism to get started. Why content writing is a great freelance job. You can specialize in topics that interest you, from travel and fitness to finance or technology. As long as you can write clearly and concisely, there's room for you in the freelance writing space. Plus, it's relatively easy to get started. All you need is a computer, internet access, and some writing samples. Here's how to get started without any experience. Many beginner writers start by writing guest blog posts or even offering their services at a lower rate on sites like Fiverr or Upwork to build up their portfolio. Another tip is to choose a niche that interests you. By becoming an expert in a specific area like fitness, health, or technology, you'll be able to stand out from the competition and command higher rates. Earning potential. As a beginner content writer, you can expect to earn between $15 to $40 per hour. As you build up your portfolio and you get positive feedback from your clients, your rates can go up. And experienced writers often earn over $100 per hour for specialized content. Number 4, YouTube thumbnail designer. Let's get a little more creative. If you have an eye for design or simply enjoy working with visuals, YouTube thumbnail design is an awesome freelance job that you can start with no experience. What is a YouTube thumbnail designer? Every video on YouTube has a thumbnail, the cover image that entices viewers to click on the video. A great thumbnail can make all the difference in whether a video goes viral or gets lost in the crowd. As a YouTube thumbnail designer, your job is to create attention-grabbing thumbnails that help content creators get more views. So why YouTube thumbnail design? With millions of videos being uploaded daily, there's no shortage of demand for well-designed thumbnails. Even beginners can quickly learn to create compelling thumbnails using free tools like Canva. YouTube creators, especially smaller channels, are often looking for help in this area. How to get started. Start by creating a portfolio. You can either create sample thumbnails for fictional videos or reach out to small YouTube creators offering to create a few thumbnails for free in exchange for a testimonial or a review. Use platforms like Fiverr or Upwork to find paying clients once you have a few examples. You don't need expensive software. Canva is a great free option to get started with, and you can upgrade if you need to. And many successful YouTube thumbnail designers use it to create their designs. If you want to get started with Canva, we'll go ahead and leave a link down in the description below. YouTube thumbnail designers typically charge $5 to $50 per thumbnail, depending on the client and the complexity of the design. As you gain experience, you can offer packages such as creating multiple thumbnails or designing complete branding elements for YouTube channels, which can significantly increase your earnings. Number 5, video editor. Video editing is one of the most in-demand freelance skills right now. With platforms like YouTube, TikTok, and Instagram continuing to dominate online content, many creators and businesses are looking for skilled video editors to help them craft engaging videos. What does a video editor do? So a video editor takes raw footage and transforms it into a polished piece of content by cutting unnecessary footage, adding transitions, music, and special effects, syncing audio with video, creating engaging intros and outros. Video editors are essential for businesses and influencers who rely on video content to grow their audience. Why start with video editing? Video content is growing exponentially, and the demand for skilled editors is skyrocketing. The best part is that you can start with free or affordable tools like DaVinci Resolve or iMovie. As you gain experience, you can invest in more advanced tools like Adobe Premiere Pro or the paid version of DaVinci Resolve or Final Cut Pro. How to get started. Start by editing your own videos or offer to edit videos for friends or family. Build up a portfolio of work that you can showcase to potential clients. Platforms like Fiverr, Upwork, and People Per Hour are great places to find freelance video editing jobs. You can also reach out to YouTubers directly and offer your services. Many are looking to outsource their editing so that they can focus on content creation. Earnings potential. Video editors can earn anywhere from $20 to $100 per hour, depending on the complexity of the project and their level of experience. Some freelancers earn even even more by offering full video production services, including script writing, editing, and social media clips. One tool that's great for any video editor is Motion Array. Motion Array is a subscription software where you can get media, sound effects, musics, and more to go ahead and add in to your videos. If you want to get started with Motion Array, we'll leave a link down in the description to get $50 off your annual subscription. So there you have it, 5 freelance jobs that you can start with little to no experience. Whether it's transcription, virtual assistant work, content writing, YouTube thumbnail design, or video editing, these freelance opportunities are accessible, flexible, and beginner friendly. The best part is that you can get started from anywhere in the world as long as you have a computer and an internet connection, and you don't need a degree or any specialized skills to be successful. So if you're ready to take control of your income, pick one of these jobs, start learning, and take the first step toward building your freelancing career. The freedom, flexibility, and potential income that comes with freelancing can truly change your life. Now, if you want to get started with any of the products that we talked about today, we'll go ahead and leave links for those, as well as others that we didn't mention down in the description below. Now, these are affiliate links, which means that we earn a small commission when you use them at no extra cost to you. And these commissions really help support the channel and allow us to continue making free content just like this. So if you end up using those links, we thank you so much in advance. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss another video. Here on Side Hustle Mastery, we explore a wide range of side hustles, different strategies, and tips to help you make extra income, so be sure to subscribe. But other than that, thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.